Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Altima brake light. First, it's important to prepare properly. You'll need to know the exact bulb type for your specific Altima model, which is often a 740 bulb. Also, gather your tools, typically a screwdriver and your new bulb. Always make sure your car is completely off and cool for safety before you start. Now, let's get to the tail light. Open your Altima's trunk and look for the access panel on the inside of the trunk, directly behind the tail light assembly. You might find one or two retaining clips or screws holding this panel in place. Gently remove them. Then, carefully pull back the carpet or trim to reveal the wiring and the back of the light housing. With the housing exposed, you'll see the bulb socket. Twist the socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the tail light assembly. Once out, gently pull the old bulb straight from the socket. Take your new bulb, hold it by its base, and push it firmly into the socket. Avoid touching the glass with your fingers. Finally, insert the socket back into the housing and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Before finishing up, it's crucial to test your work. Have a friend or family member press the brake pedal while you check that the new light illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the access panel, securing any clips or screws you removed earlier. Double-check that all your tools are put away and that your trunk is securely closed. You've successfully changed your brake light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.